Hello everyone. Today I am going to make a delicious and yummy dessert. My dessert name is strawberry cream cake. So let's start. So ingredients are strawberries, powdered sugar, waffle, crumble cake, strawberry syrup and cream. So now my cream is ready. You can see it is very thick and very good in consistency. Now add powdered sugar in these strawberry pieces and mix it well. Now decorate glass with syrup. Okay, done. Now add cake in the bottom. Then add strawberries in it. Then whipped cream. Second time add cake. Add strawberries on it. Again add cream on the top. Spread properly. Now decorate with waffles. Add syrup and put some strawberries. So now my strawberry cream cake is ready. So my strawberry cream cake is ready. I am going to eat now. Let's try. It's yummy and delicious. Thank you.